struggle with the moment. When I look ahead and where I've been, how to find an answer. With every breath I take, reminding me what it is I need, never feel complete. Tired of playing games that I can't beat. Is there anybody in search of more than they can see? To finally hear the voice inside surrounding me. Now let it go and feel it all set you free. Let it go and then you'll know where to be. Every echo in the wind, cooling. Shadows in the light can't follow me. Let it go with no energy. Let it go, all of the pain so empty. All that's left for you is love eternally. Under blue skies far from me. Now tell me what it is you're chasing. When did it become all that you seek? Forever moving forwards, when it hides right behind your feet. All that we have been and all that we have seen. Why does it always feel just incomplete? Fate is ever waiting, forever right beyond your reach. Until you know the voice inside, it's hard to be. Now let it go and feel it all set you free. Let it go and then you'll know where to be. Every echo in the wind, cooling. Shadows in the light can't follow me. Let it go with no energy. Let it go, all of the pain so empty. All that's left for you is love eternally. Under blue skies far from me. Now let it go and feel it all set you free. Let it go and then you'll know where to be. Every echo in the wind, cooling. Shadows in the light can't follow me. Let it go, no energy. Let it go, all of the pain so empty. Love eternally. Under blue skies far from me.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Shanghai Sky. It's a 40-count, 2-wall, intermediate level nightclub two-step. Let me face you the back walls. First section, we start with the left step to the side. And then single head count, left to the drop back, recover, one is turn right. So right now, you're facing your 130. And after this one, we'll do the chest turn right. So start with the left step, heel turn right, step. So right now, you're facing your 730. And after this one, we're gonna do a single head count, heel turn left, and rock forward. So totally it's a 4 turn, so you should be back to the same corner. So start with the right foot with the heel turn, left with the right foot step back, and then another heel turn left with the left foot step forward, and then right foot rock forward. And after this one, start with the left foot, you do the back, and then with quarter turn left, also sway to your left. Okay, let's do this section with time. So start with the left foot. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And then the second section, after your back quarter turn left, you're facing your 430. And after this one, you sway to the right, and then sway to the left, also join your right foot. And after this one, we're gonna run in a circle, make a 5S turn right. So start with the right foot, run with the left sweep. And after this one, start with the left foot to the wheeling cross, side, behind, side, cross roll, recover, quarter turn left. So right now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So after the first section, start with the left foot back sway for 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, First, you make a quarter turn left with a right foot step to the side, and then sit still, single pec come, quad, side, diagonal kick, side, cross, and left foot to the side. Also sweep your right foot behind. And after this one, you make a heel turn right with the right foot to the silver cross. And right together also hit your left foot, make another one is turn right. So start with the right foot behind, quarter and quarter with the right foot cross, and left hitch, and another one is turn right. And after this one, you do the diagonal forward shuffle, left foot forward together, forward. So right now you're facing your 130. Okay, let's do the session with cut. So after your breathing and cross, recover, quarter to left, and then start with the right foot. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. And then the fourth section, we start with the right foot. You make a single pec count, recover, heel turn left and forward. So right now you're facing your 730. And then kind of like a back shuffle, you do the back, together back with the right foot sweep back. And then slow down right foot to the back with a sweep. And then single pec count, we square out to your left hand side to facing a 6 o'clock wall. And then do the behind side, cross together, and then a hinge, heel turn left with the left foot step to the side. Okay, let's do this section is cut. So after your diagonal forward shuffle, and then we start with the right foot, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. And then the final section, we start with the right foot. First, we do the basic step. So we do the left back, recover, side, and then another basic with a quarter turn left. So left foot, left back, recover, quarter turn left. So right now you're facing your 9 o'clock. And then slow down left foot forward. And after this one, we're going to do the single pec count, roll, recover, and rolling turn. So start with the left foot, roll forward, recover, heel turn left, and quarter turn left. So right now you're facing your 6 o'clock wall. Okay, let's do this section with count. So after your hinge heel turn, and then start with the right foot, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Okay, now let's put everything together from the top. So start with the left foot, side, right back, recover, one last turn, and then the chest side step, heel turn step, and then 4 turn, 2 turn. So heel turn, roll forward, back, quarter turn. Then with the sway with the right foot drag, and then right turn right, roll with the sweep, and moving cross, side, behind, side, cross, recover, quarter turn left, and quarter turn left, side, cross, side, kick, side, cross, side with the right foot sweep, and then the heel turn right with the silver cross. So behind turn, cross hitch, another one is turn, and then put forward shuffle. Recover, heel turn left, forward, and then back together, back with the sweep, and back with the sweep, and square out left, behind, side, cross, together, hinge, turn, heel turn left, and then sit, roll back, recover, side, roll back, recover, quarter left, walk, and left foot, rock, recover, heel turn left, quarter turn left. start facing your trail car walk, and after you do the trail count check, you will be facing your back walk. Okay, the check is kind of do the final station again, and then do a fake restart. So you will do like exit side, roll back, recover side, roll back, recover, foot to turn left, walk, and left foot, run, recover, heel turn left, foot to turn left, and then roll back, recover, 1S turn, right, and then keep it with a 7S turn. So step, turn, and then from the top, side, roll back, recover, 1S turn, right. Okay, let's do the check together one more time with count. So start with the left foot, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and from the top, 1, 2, and 3.